Wednesday the 20th, on our Florida trip, we paid a visit to SeaWorld. Didn't go till the afternoon as we had a morning at the supermarket and then a lunch at Denny's, although the video says Wendy's, but it was Denny's. We went to SeaWorld about 2 o'clock. It was fine. Then the storm came and obviously all the rides were closed down, but they did open again and they got their ride. Early on in the video you might notice I'd not very well seen on camera, but Alfie spotted a baby alligator under a hedge just on the grass verge. So he was over the moon with that. Otherwise, the day went pretty well. They did get their coasters at the end and everybody enjoyed themselves. Hope you enjoy the vid.
We're doing Vortex. We're doing Vortex.
Do you like that time? Special, isn't it?
Looking at you. He followed me around all the time. Oh yeah?
What do they charge for?
Don't know, I didn't ask. I just said. On the spiral. They had get on, so get on there.
Here we are,
If you need
SeaWorld.
one, I can run back and get you one.
It's alright, I'll sort it, don't worry. I'm not as bad a condition as I've been.
Yeah, I know, but I did worry about you yesterday. I know we're not doing a big thing today. But it wasn't just you yesterday, it was the kids as well.
Right, it's now Wednesday the 20th and we're at SeaWorld. Been to Walmart this morning and now we went to Wendy's for lunch and we're now at SeaWorld for the afternoon.
Where's Rort? Rort is a baby alligator. It's a real baby alligator.
That's hot.
Yeah. here. I was going to do cracking, but at the moment all the rides are shut down because of the potential storm, as is quite common in Florida.
Hi guys, sir, what, sir?
Alfie, there's an alligator. Yeah, up there, Alfie.
Oh yes.
Ride's open. Apparently if there's any lightning within a 10-mile radius, they won't open. We shall see. Coming to the shark encounter. The animals are enjoying time to relax, rest and play. Here we are in the underwater tunnel.
Look at that one. If you do it close enough, it looks like you're in with them rather than the glass. I found a dead shark. You've got one? Oh, shark. Rock, you want to pitch the best? Let me go in with you.
After 8 days,
Go on then, get in there. We'll wait until Jack comes back.
so the SeaWorld team determines
You got to look
course of action
worried.
is to return
Do it again. Get in, babe.
eat and be strong enough to keep the babies all the way through.
No.
Amber red.
Betsy, did you see the hammerhead?
Yeah.
They're bound to be miserable because they can't sleep.
Sharks don't sleep. No, they don't, do they?
No, they drown if they sleep.
Who's doing that?
Please, something for the children.
Look at the sea.
Please step on.
They're all been getting wet.
The length of its tail.
What's that little tiger print one that's on the floor? It's massive, looks like a cup. Right underneath the water. See what you're missing out when you're still waiting. So what do you do, Ty? Oh well, that's the box there now. The sharks are going to eat them. No, but that was going to happen. Just realised I can't get too close to this. Can you see the sign?
But
Look, there they are.
And I think you do it up again. I think you do it twice.
do you?
Yeah, I think. I think you do it twice. No, you don't.
I think they drop down and that's where they change.
A boat's going up.
Yeah.
They're not the only ones on it.
No, I don't think so. I don't know where the other one is though.
They're going up again.
Yeah.
They're going up. How many times do they? How many times do you go up?
I don't know.
A lot. They just went down, didn't they?
I think that was them, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Don't put your feet over, they'll tell us off.
Yeah, that was them. The cat fell off.
Did it?
Cat fell off. Yeah.
He lost his hat. We could get wet here.
Yeah, but you need to be careful.
I think I go here, it's not wet. Yeah. No, I was alright. I've got a couple of splashes, but not wet. But I think really got wet if we just stood there. You think? Probably, yeah. No, it's not like a swimming pool. Right.